Muhammad from Pakistan.
Assalamualaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
So sometimes when I'm alone, I say something bad about someone who treated me badly in the past. So how do I repent for that? So just like in Ghibat, do I have to ask Allah for their forgiveness?
Whatever goes in your head about past sins, or if I understood your question correctly, but maybe you did not say it correctly, one of us is wrong, so sue me. Either you meant that there are people who wronged you in the past and bullied you, so sometimes you think about them and you feel bad about it, so should you ask Allah for forgiveness? The answer is no. You didn't do anything wrong, you were the victim, and you had intrusive thoughts about them, no matter how bad it was, and you did not speak about it and you did not act upon it, so there is no sin upon you. Or maybe you meant that you remember people that you had bullied and wronged in the past, but did not seek their forgiveness or apologize. So when you remember this, yes, you have to repent and ask Allah for forgiveness for yourself and for them, and hope that Allah would forgive you and not hold you accountable for such transgression.